In this quick bite video, we demonstrate how to set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to provide an additional layer of security on your Cranfield account. You will need to have access to both a smartphone and a computer to complete the setup process. First, let's begin by looking at an overview of the steps to set up and configure MFA. We'll cover each step in more detail later in the video. On your smartphone, you will need to install the free Microsoft Authenticator app. Then, on your computer, when prompted for more information, click Next until you see a QR code displayed on your computer screen. On your smartphone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app and scan the QR code. Back on your computer, test the authenticator is working. An authentication prompt will appear on your smartphone's screen. Tap Approve and then enter a name for the app password, and you're done. As part of the setup process, you will automatically be taken to your Cranfield account security info page to set up a second authentication method. On your computer, click Add Method, enter a mobile phone number, select Text Me a Code, and then click Next. On your smartphone, open the received text message to view the 6-digit code. On your computer, enter the 6-digit code displayed on your smartphone. You will then be fully set up for MFA. The rest of this video covers each of these steps in detail. Step 1 begins on your smartphone. You will need to download and install the free Microsoft Authenticator app from your device App Store. Step 2 is done on your computer. When you see a Microsoft prompt for more information after logging in, click Next. There are 3 options available to you. Click Next to configure the Microsoft Authenticator app on your smartphone. Click I want to use a different Authenticator app if you already have an Authenticator on your smartphone, which you use for other accounts. Or, if you experience issues configuring the Authenticator app, you can return to this screen at any point and click I want to set up a different method to set up SMS text messaging or landline phone call authentication. We will demonstrate the recommended method, configuring the Microsoft Authenticator app. Continue clicking Next until you see a QR code on your computer screen. Step 3. On your smartphone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app and agree to the privacy statement. Tap Scan a QR code and allow the authenticator to take photos on your device. This is only required once to scan the QR code. If you see an app lock pop-up, click OK to proceed. Now use your smartphone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. You may be prompted to enter your smartphone's passcode or fingerprint to continue, or you may need to click OK on the app lock prompt if displayed. The Authenticator app will now be configured. Back on your computer, click Next to test the Authenticator. On your smartphone, click Approve. You may also be prompted by your smartphone to enter your phone's passcode or fingerprint. This is how you authenticate all future sign-ins. If you did not initiate a sign-in to your account, on your smartphone, you would tap Deny. When you see Notification Approved on your computer screen, click Next. Then, enter a name for the app password. This will help you differentiate it from other accounts you may wish to authenticate in the future. Click Next to complete the Authenticator setup process. On your computer, click Done twice. You will be taken to your Cranfield account security info page, where you might be prompted to sign in with your Cranfield email address and password. It's recommended that you add a second authentication method at this stage. We will demonstrate adding a mobile phone to enable authentication by SMS text messages. Click Add Method, select Phone from the list, then click Add. Select a country code and enter the required phone number. Select Text Me a Code, or Call Me if you'd prefer to have an authentication code spoken to you, then click Next. Open the text message on your smartphone and enter the 6-digit code into the prompt on your computer screen. Then click Next. Finally, click Done. You have now successfully set up and configured multiple authentication methods on your Cranfield account. Thank you for following these steps. If you experience any issues during the setup process, please contact the service desk.